Welcome everyone. In this video we will see head and tail functions of series. As we know, head means the top part and tail means the bottom part. So head function is used to fetch top rows from the series object, whereas tail function is used to bottom objects, you can say elements from bottom from the series object. So both function takes n as argument. N means number of rows. So if we write head and the number of rows, then it returns top n rows from the series, and we can skip this argument n also. In that case, if we don't provide the number of rows, it will give top 5 rows from the series. Similarly, in case of tail, if we give n, then it will return n rows from the bottom, and if we skip the value of n, then it returns bottom 5 rows from the series. Now let's see some example in our Python pandas. This is our Jupyter notebook. So suppose I am creating a series. Already pandas is imported, so I am not writing import pandas as pd here. S equals to, I am writing pd dot series, and inside bracket I am giving a long list. Suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Only this much values are there. So if I print the series, then you can see total 11 indexes are there, and the values are 1 to 12, means data part is 1 to 12. If I print s dot head simply, it will give first 5 rows. If I print s dot tail without providing the value of number of rows, it will give us bottom 5 rows. And suppose I write number of rows 3, so it will give us the top 3 rows. If I write suppose s dot tail 8, so it will give us the bottom 8 rows from the series. So this is the method to use head and tail function in series, and I hope the concept is very clear. Very simple functions. Some examples are here also. This is a series S. If I write s dot head 6, so it will give us first 6 rows. If I write s dot tail 7, so it will give bottom 7 rows. If I write simply s dot head, so it will give top 5 rows. If I write s dot tail, then it will give bottom 5 rows. So that's all in this video. I hope the concept of head and tail function is clear, and in our next video we will see the selection from series. That means how do we select different values on the basis of condition from a series. Thank you so much children. All the best.